There's two things that I can find out about a circle. Right? I can find out the area and the circumference. The area, we've seen before, is pi times the radius squared, and the circumference is equal to 2 times pi times the radius. In both cases, the radius is the distance from the center to the edge of the circle. So what if I didn't have a full circle? If I had a circle and then I've gone from the center and I've cut a piece out, and I wanted to know, well, what is the area of this shape? How much am I left with? Well, we know that the area of a circle, a full circle, is pi r squared. So if I have pi r squared for a full circle and I want to know how much have I got, well, we could think about how much of a circle have you got. If I took half a pizza or half a circle, straight down the middle, and this is what I've got, what would you say the area is? If a full circle is pi r squared, I've halved it, so it must just be half pi r squared. Then if I gave you a quarter of a circle, I've divided this circle by 4, you would probably say the area is equal to pi r squared divided by 4. So now if we go back to this original problem, I'm given a circle with a piece missing, and I want to know what is the area. Well, I know that it's some amount of the circle, so I could think about what is the total angle of a circle, for example. So if I do a full circle, that's 360 degrees. That's if I go from here all the way around back to the start. In this case, I've just gone from here to here. And I don't know how far that is, but I can call it theta, just some angle. So if I say this is how much of the circle you've got out of a full circle, and then I just times that by pi r squared, which is my full pizza, this is the equivalent of saying, well, if you had half a circle, that would be 180 degrees. 180 degrees divided by 360 is just a half. So I would get back to my half pi r squared. If I had a quarter, same thing, 90 degrees. It would give me 1 over 4, pi r squared over 4, like we saw earlier. So this is the general case. So the area of a sector, which is what we call this, an incomplete circle, a piece of a circle, is theta, which is just how much of the circle we've got, over 360, and we times that by pi r squared, the area of our full circle. So this is the area for a sector.